Hello everyone, I'm gonna unbox something for my birthday. It's Scruff. My secret birthday gift because I didn't know what was in. I had a FedEx box that was on the tree and I didn't know who bought it. But my dad bought it. So now I'm gonna unbox him because it's my birthday. You're gonna see a lot of unboxings today, or whenever it does upload. It's stuck. For some reason, the stick that connects to the traction tires are always the hardest. So now I unbox Scruff. Whoa! What is this? Why is it so long? Oh my god. Anyway, this is just weird. Here's Scruff that comes with a unique troublesome truck I've never seen before. Looks like CGI. And that's the unboxing for Scruff. Subscribe, like for more unboxings. And that's it. Bye.